Hi, I'm Adam from Power Plumbing. I've been installing Geberit concealed cisterns for over 13 years. I've installed them in walls, ceilings, vanity and offset situations, and it's easy. Let me show you how.
In the cistern carton, you'll find the Sigma8 cistern, fixing brackets, key seals, flush band, dust cap and pipe, installation duct, parts kit. You'll need these tools: hammer, cordless drill, screwdriver, spirit level, hacksaw. Geberit Sigma8 for back-to-wall pans. This installation consists of two stages. First, the rough-in stage, followed by the fit-out. We recommend you refer to the installation instructions provided with the cistern and pan before starting. You will also need to know the pan specifications to complete the rough-in. First, check with the builder to determine the finished floor level. Measure 1100 mm up the stud. Allow another 100 mm for the mounting bracket. Then, recess the brackets 8 mm into the stud. The centre of the bracket is the centre of the 1200 mm mark. Mark the fixing holes. Mount the bracket, ensuring that it's level. Take the stabilising bracket, straighten it, and clip it to the side of the cistern. Centre the cistern in location and tighten. Fit the bracket with the screw supplied. Mark the centre of the flush pipe bracket and recess in 4 mm. Mount the flush pipe saddle and tighten. Attach the dust cap. Remove the front cover and transmission block. Remember, the front cover will need to go back on, so keep it in a safe place. Remove the cap and the top of the cistern. Fit the stop tap supplied from the outside of the cistern. Tighten the backing nut, taking care not to drop it inside the cistern. Fit the flexible hose and finger tighten. Reassemble the transmission block, front cover, and fit the installation duct. The protective dust cover is designed to stay on until the fit-out stage and will prevent any unwanted debris from entering the cistern. Make sure the parts needed for the fit-out stage are stored safely. You're now ready to connect the water supply. Once done, check the cistern is level and the installation is ready for the wall linings and tiling. When the wall linings and tiling are completed, you're ready for fit-out. Start by installing the pan. With the pan installed, it's time to install the actuator plate. To fit the buttons, remove the outer dust cover. Trim the installation duct flush with the tiles using a utility knife. Remove the inner cover and transmission block. The flexible hose can be detached from the inlet valve to flush the water supply and remove any debris. Once the line is clear, refit the hose, turn on the water supply, check the water level, then fit the transmission block and inner cover. Fit the mounting frame to the front of the installation duct and adjust the fastening bolts to suit the depth of the wall cavity. If necessary, shorten the fastening bolts. Secure the fastening bolts by turning them 90 degrees. Then lock the bolts in place using the blue pins. Ensure the spring mechanism section of the mounting frame faces downwards. Fit the push rods through the holes on the plate until the raised ridge reaches the front of the installation frame. Then, turn 90 degrees clockwise to lock them in place. A click can be heard when they're located correctly. Ensure that the rods operate freely. It may be necessary to shorten the rods, depending on the depth of the wall linings and cavity. Position the push plate on the wall and engage the lower side of the mounting frame. Push up against the spring and clip the button over the top of the mounting frame to locate the buttons. Now, just check the toilet is flushing correctly.
See, it's that simple. If you have any questions, call Geberit support on 1800 Geberit.